Come on. Well, that is sucky. Well, good afternoon, YouTube, or people that watch YouTube, whatever. I don't know. It is so great out here. It's just, it feels like Seattle or something. I've never been to Seattle. By the way, I told you today's a work day, and I just got to lunch. Just like I'm out on lunch break, and it's the first time I've gotten the opportunity to really film. I had a really late morning this morning. Like, I mean, I woke up late and I just, ugh. Okay, let's just, I'm gonna try to find something to do. Okay, hope you enjoyed that. I'm gonna go eat some lunch and I'll be back. Hopefully I can film some more crazy cool stuff tonight. It all depends on this rain. It is so gray. It is gray beyond belief. Ugh. It just feels like it's not good for a Monday. You want to be productive on a Monday. You want to like actually do something on a Monday. You know, like you want to get things done, because if you get things done at the start of the week, then you can start getting things done all the way out throughout the week. But when it's a gray day like this, it just feels like PJs, hot cocoa weather. And that's not the weather I need. I need productive weather. I need blue skies and a yellow sun and some clouds. That's what I need. Not a bunch of gray clouds. My wife is home. It is the best part of my day. You look great.
Thanks.
Ooh.
I'm hungry.
Roxy, what are you doing?
She wants my cheese.
You happy to see Mom home? So we're about to head out. We're gonna eat dinner with Becca's in-laws, or my in-laws, Becca's parents. That's what we're gonna do. She already knows. She already knows. Oh my gosh.
Roxy, you're gonna have to be
Stay
still.
calm. Be good. Be good, girl. I know you want to go.
Roxy, come here. She's like, okay, we're good.
Good girl. Good girl. Let's go. Gosh. Oh gosh. She's off. Going in to get a jacket because it's kind of cold. All right. Oh gosh. Forgot to like unlock the door so I can close it. Boom. Got the hoodie on. Okay, so it's me, Becca, and Roxy. Come here, girl. Come here. Hey. Hi. Hi. Oh my gosh.
Her little demon eyes.
She is so cute. She is so cute. Oh my gosh. She's in the car. So we're here, we're gonna eat some dinner, we're gonna have fun with Roxy. Roxy's gonna have a little play date, and then this is where I'm gonna end the vlog. So, see you tomorrow. So, I couldn't get this light to turn on earlier today. And here we go. Let there be light.